what you can do is you can cut that line. The one going to your sink, it's right there. One going to your AC is right here. Do the same thing with your blowgun. Stick it in there, blow it out, turn around, stick it in there, blow it out. Then get one of these couplings. It's on there. Try doing this in the attic. It's not much fun at all. Okay, and then there you have it. That way all you gotta do is just unscrew it, blow into there, put it back together, pull this one off. Blow into there. Screw it back together. Once your unit is running again, you want to come back up in about 30 minutes to make sure this thing's not leaking anywhere. Because if it is, it'll sure damage your ceiling. Now let's go up in the attic and I'll show you what we're talking about. You'll be able to distinguish the main line. It'll be coming directly from the unit, coming out. It's got a standpipe. Come down here, it's got a P-trap. It's got a P-trap. And then of course it leads out, comes over here. This is where you would cut it. You would use the vacuum cleaner to vacuum this way. Use the other one, take it up, vacuum from the other way. That would get all your sludge out of there. Then you would put this in there to put it back together. Now there's one other thing you can do. This is a lot cleaner method. Get you a shop vac. Same way with this. Take this off. This is almost a perfect fit over that 3/4. And get your shop vac, turn it on, suck the water out of it. That's to the sink or to the tub. The other side, that's to the AC itself. Now like I say, this is only the main line. You don't have to do this to the emergency line. Okay, now we're going in the attic.